Introducing Khuba products, revolutionizing coffee bean farming. Are you an ambitious coffee bean farmer who dreams of producing exceptional, high-quality organic coffee? Look no further than Khuba products, the revolutionary solution that will transform your coffee farm. With our range of innovative and organic products designed specifically for coffee bean plants, we are here to empower you and elevate the quality and flavor of your coffee. Khuba Soil Conditioner, fueling root development for optimal growth. At the heart of healthy coffee plants lies the soil. Khuba Soil Conditioner acts as a nutrient powerhouse, delivering essential macro and micronutrients directly to the roots. Packed with phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and a plethora of trace elements, this organic mineral-based fertilizer creates an ideal environment for your coffee plants to thrive. With its sustained release of nutrients, Khuba Soil Conditioner ensures that your plants receive the right nourishment at the right time, promoting vigorous root development and optimal growth. Khuba Soil Booster, unleashing the full potential of your coffee crop. To unlock the true potential of your coffee crop, you need to prioritize soil health. Khuba Soil Booster is a natural and organic soil amendment product specifically designed to enhance plant growth, improve soil quality, and provide natural pest and disease control. Our unique blend of neem seed, organic carbon, trichoderma, humic acid, amino acids, and seaweed extracts work synergistically to boost microbial activity, protect seeds, improve germination, and enhance nutrient uptake. By incorporating Khuba Soil Booster into your farming practices, you will witness your coffee bean plants thrive like never before, producing bountiful yields of exceptional quality. Khuba Growth Promoter, elevating your coffee crop to new heights. For coffee plants that reach their full potential, Khuba Growth Promoter is your key. This water-soluble formula, enriched with seaweed extract, humic acid, and amino acids, stimulates robust growth, improves soil quality, and enhances flowering. With a balanced composition of organic matter, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and essential micronutrients, Khuba Growth Promoter ensures that your coffee plants receive the vital nourishment they need to thrive. Experience the transformation as your coffee crop flourishes under the influence of Khuba Growth Promoter, yielding coffee beans of exceptional weight, quality, and flavor. Natural horticulture oil, nature's shield for coffee plants. Protecting your coffee crop from pests, insects, and diseases is crucial for a successful harvest. Khuba's natural horticulture oil provides the ultimate defense mechanism for your coffee plants. Our unique blend of natural oils, including azadirachtin, citral, citronellol, linalool, geranyl acetate, and more, possesses insecticidal, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties. By incorporating this oil into your farming practices, you adopt a proactive approach, safeguarding your coffee plants from potential threats and ensuring their overall health and vitality. The result? Healthy and robust coffee plants ready to produce the finest organic coffee beans. Natural horticulture oil is specifically designed for farmers who embrace organic farming methods and seek to safeguard their crops through preventive care. Application. Follow these simple guidelines, taking into consideration pruning and your intended time for harvesting, to witness remarkable results. Khuba Soil Conditioner. A. During sowing, apply 150 grams of Khuba Soil Conditioner per plant and repeat every 4 to 6 months. B. For new or existing plants, apply 250 grams per plant every 4 to 6 months. Khuba Soil Booster. A. During sowing, apply 1 bag of Khuba Soil Booster per acre. B. For new or existing plants, apply 1 packet of 5 kilograms per acre every 6 months. Khuba Growth Promoter and Natural Horticulture Oil, unleash the power of your coffee plantation. A. Both products are water-soluble and can be used for spraying and drenching. B. Begin spraying 250 grams of Khuba Growth Promoter and 1 liter of natural horticulture oil approximately 30 days before flowering. Repeat the spray at 10-day intervals. It is recommended to apply at least 3 sprays before the flowering stage. C. After 10 days of flowering, spray 250 grams of Khuba growth promoter and 1 liter of natural horticulture oil. Continue with sprays at 20-day intervals until the fruits are fully harvested. D. Farmers have the flexibility to alternate between spraying and drenching, tailoring the application to their specific needs and preferences, depending on pruning techniques and the intended time for harvesting. Boost the effectiveness of your coffee bean cultivation by incorporating companion crops for nitrogen fixation. Additionally, create a protective border with castor plants and the like, acting as natural deterrents against pests and insects. Enhance the overall farm health and sustainability by utilizing cow-based products like Jeevamruth or Gokrapa Amrut. Experience the transformation in your orchard as Khuba products improve soil quality, stimulate plant growth, and minimize pest issues. Embrace these practices, considering pruning techniques and your intended time for harvesting, to cultivate coffee bean with superior nutrition, exquisite flavors, and an extended shelf life. Join the movement towards a balanced and resilient agricultural system. Unleash the potential of your coffee bean farm with Khuba products and witness the bountiful harvest that awaits you. With Khuba products, you can embark on a transformative journey toward unparalleled success in coffee bean farming. Witness your coffee bean plants flourish with vibrant growth, abundant flowering, and nutrient-rich yields. Embrace the organic revolution in agriculture, optimize your farming practices, and elevate your coffee farm to new heights. Capture the rich flavors and meet the growing demand for high-quality organic coffee, delighting coffee enthusiasts with every sip. Detailed technical information is provided on the following subjects: Khuba products, constituents and their activities, malnutrition, biodiversity and disease prevention, increasing yield, safeguarding seeds, seed germination, root development, nutrient uptake enhancement, stem growth, leaf health, flowering, fruit production, flavor of coffee, insects prevention and control, disease prevention and control, tolerance to climatic variations, package of practices for organic farming, invasive plants, companion plants, plant life cycle. Prices: Khuba soil conditioner, organic fertilizer, powder form, 50 kg bag, priced at Rs 1000. Granular form, 50 kg bag, priced at Rs 1200. Khuba soil booster, 5 kg bag, price Rs 750. Growth promoter, 500 grams pack, price Rs 550. Natural horticulture oil, 1 liter bottle, price Rs 900. These prices include transportation charges anywhere in Karnataka, that is to your nearest Vijay Anand, Road Lines branch or Tilla dealer's stock point. Note: the prices are indicative and may change anytime. Hence reconfirm prices at the time of purchase. Farmer from other states may directly contact us. Technical explanation of the constituents of our Khuba products and their activities. Khuba products, empowering coffee farmers, enriching the world of coffee. Khuba products offer a plethora of specific benefits that greatly contribute to the growth and development of coffee bean plants. Let's delve into each of these products and explore the remarkable advantages they provide in various aspects of coffee plant cultivation. Khuba soil conditioner. Constituents: phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, humic acid, organic carbon, silicon, boron, manganese, iron, copper, amino acids, fulvic acid, sulfur, many other trace elements, and nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium bacteria. Benefits: Khuba soil conditioner is an organic mineral-based fertilizer designed for delivery through the roots. It provides essential macro and micronutrients, promoting sustained release as per the dynamic needs of the plant. Its mineral composition offers a large surface area, facilitating nutrient absorption. This conditioner improves soil health, replenishes nutrients, and supports optimal plant growth. Khuba Soil Booster. Constituents: Neem Azadirachta indica seed, organic carbon, trichoderma bioagent, humic acid, amino acids, seaweed extracts, and other beneficial components. Benefits: Khuba Soil Booster is a natural and organic soil amendment delivered through the roots. It promotes plant growth, improves soil health, and provides natural pest and disease control. The blend of ingredients enhances microbial activity, safeguards seeds, improves germination, enhances root growth, and improves nutrient uptake. It enhances plant tolerance to environmental hardships. Khuba Growth Promoter. Constituents: seaweed extract, humic acid, amino acids including L-alanine, L-arginine, L-aspartic acid, L-cysteine, L-glutamic acid, L-leucine, L-lysine, L-serine, L-threonine, L-tyrosine, L-tryptophan, L-valine, L-histidine, L-isoleucine, L-methionine, L-phenylalanine, L-proline, and L-glycine, organic matter, alginic acid, mannitol, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, sulfur, magnesium, copper, iron, manganese, and molybdenum. Benefits: Khuba Growth Promoter is a water-soluble product that can be delivered through leaves and roots. It enhances plant growth, improves soil quality, increases flowering, and enhances the weight and quality of the yield. The blend of seaweed extract, humic acid, and amino acids supports overall plant development and nutrient uptake. Natural horticulture oil. Constituents: azadirachtin natural insecticide, citral antimicrobial and insecticidal, citronellol insecticidal, antifungal, and antimicrobial, linalool antimicrobial, insecticidal, and herbicidal, geranyl acetate, linalool acetate insecticidal, fungicidal, and herbicidal, menthol insecticidal, fungicidal, and herbicidal, geranyl insecticidal and antimicrobial, alpha-pinene, limonene insecticidal, antifungal, and herbicidal, beta-ocimene, terpenoline insecticidal and antifungal, alpha-terpineol insecticidal and antifungal, methylheptanone insecticidal and herbicidal, beta-caryophyllene, and alpha-humulene insecticidal and herbicidal. Benefits: Natural horticulture oil is a botanical-based product derived from neem seeds. It acts as a natural insecticide, fungicide, and miticide. The constituents in the oil exhibit insecticidal, antimicrobial, antifungal, and herbicidal properties, making it effective in controlling pests and diseases that affect coffee plants. These Khuba products, with their specific constituents, provide targeted support for coffee plant growth, soil health, nutrient uptake, pest control, and overall plant development, ensuring optimal yields and healthy coffee bean production. Let's delve into each of these products and explore the remarkable advantages they provide in various aspects of coffee plant cultivation. Malnutrition. Khuba products are specifically formulated to address malnutrition in coffee bean plants. They are enriched with essential nutrients, minerals, and organic matter, ensuring a well-balanced nutrient supply that fosters optimal plant growth, health, and productivity. These products act as natural fertilizers, replenishing nutrient-depleted soils and promoting the availability of vital nutrients necessary for the robust growth of coffee plants. Biodiversity and disease prevention. By utilizing Khuba products, coffee farmers can actively contribute to the promotion of biodiversity while preventing diseases. These products work by improving soil health and stimulating microbial activity, creating an environment that supports the growth of beneficial organisms. The ingredients in Khuba products enhance the microbial community in the soil, facilitating the breakdown of organic matter and nutrient cycling. This healthy and Diverse soil ecosystem acts as a natural defense mechanism, warding off diseases and impeding the growth of harmful pathogens, thereby reducing the risk of disease outbreaks in coffee plants. Increasing yield. For coffee farmers seeking to maximize their yields, Khuba products such as Khuba Soil Booster and Khuba Growth Promoter are invaluable. These products are carefully formulated with ingredients that stimulate overall plant vigor, encouraging robust growth and optimal development. By supplying essential nutrients, minerals, and promoting effective stress management, Khuba products enable coffee plants to efficiently allocate resources, resulting in increased yield and improved crop productivity. Safeguarding seeds. Khuba products play a pivotal role in safeguarding coffee seeds, protecting their genetic potential and ensuring the production of healthy seedlings. These products create an ideal environment for seed development and protection by promoting soil health and microbial activity. By providing a nutritious and disease-resistant medium for germination and early growth, Khuba products offer a reliable shield against potential threats, safeguarding the seeds and ensuring their viability. Seed germination. Optimal seed germination is crucial for successful coffee cultivation, and Khuba products are designed to support this crucial stage. These products enhance soil conditions, ensuring optimal moisture retention, aeration, and nutrient availability necessary for seed germination. By providing an ideal environment, Khuba products significantly improve the chances of successful germination and early root development, setting a strong foundation for the growth of coffee plants. Root development. The ingredients present in Khuba products play a vital role in the development of strong and healthy root systems in coffee plants. These products enhance soil structure, improve nutrient uptake, and stimulate root growth, resulting in extensive and robust root systems. A well-developed root system enables coffee plants to efficiently absorb nutrients and water, ensuring their overall health and resilience. Nutrient uptake enhancement. Khuba products, such as Khuba Soil Conditioner and Khuba Growth Promoter, are formulated to enhance nutrient uptake in coffee plants. These products optimize soil conditions, ensuring the availability of essential nutrients and promoting microbial activity in the soil. By improving nutrient absorption, Khuba products contribute to healthier and more productive growth in coffee plants. Stem growth. Promoting robust stem growth is essential for the stability and productivity of coffee plants, and Khuba products offer substantial support in this regard. These products provide coffee plants with essential nutrients and minerals, promoting overall plant vigor and health. This, in turn, facilitates the development of strong stems capable of supporting the weight of branches, leaves, and fruits, ensuring the plant's stability and productivity. Leaf health. Khuba products play a vital role in enhancing leaf health, which is crucial for optimal photosynthetic efficiency and nutrient assimilation. By providing essential nutrients, minerals, and promoting effective stress management, these products contribute to vibrant and healthy leaves. Healthy leaves are instrumental in maximizing the plant's growth potential and overall productivity. Flowering. To ensure abundant and consistent flowering in coffee plants, Khuba products offer remarkable benefits. These products contain ingredients that promote plant vigor, hormonal balance, and stress resistance, all essential factors for initiating and sustaining healthy flowering. By providing the necessary nutrients and supporting the overall health of coffee plants, Khuba products contribute to the production of abundant and high-quality flowers. Fruit production. Khuba products have a significant impact on fruit production in coffee plants. They support overall plant health, nutrient uptake, and stress resistance, resulting in the development of high-quality and abundant fruits. By providing essential nutrients, minerals, and creating optimal growth conditions, Khuba products enhance fruit set, size, and flavor, ultimately leading to higher yields and improved crop quality. Flavor of coffee. Coffee bean needs several compounds, that contribute to the flavors in coffee, including acids, such as chlorogenic acid, quinic acid, malic acid, and citric acid. Sugars, such as sucrose, glucose, and fructose. Caffeine, such as natural stimulant. Lipids and oils, such as triglycerides and fatty acids. Phenolic compounds, such as phenolic compounds, including phenolic acids and polyphenols. Volatile aromatic compounds, formed during the roasting process, such as aldehydes, ketones, and esters. Khuba products offer value addition to coffee beans by indirectly contributing to the development and concentration of key compounds that influence flavor, including acids, sugars, caffeine, lipids and oils, phenolic compounds, and volatile aromatic compounds. Here's a breakdown of how Khuba products can positively impact these compounds. Acids. Khuba products create an optimal growing environment and improve nutrient availability, enhancing the production and concentration of acids like chlorogenic acid, quinic acid, malic acid, and citric acid in coffee beans. These acids contribute to the brightness, tartness, and fruitiness of the coffee flavor. Sugars. Khuba products promote enhanced plant growth, improved nutrient uptake, soil conditioning, and plant health, which can indirectly increase sugar content in coffee beans. Balanced nutrition and healthy plants are more likely to produce higher sugar content, resulting in a sweeter flavor profile. Caffeine. Khuba products enhance plant health and nutrient uptake, providing a conducive environment for coffee plants to produce caffeine. Healthy plants allocate resources towards caffeine synthesis, potentially increasing its content in coffee beans. Lipids and oils. Khuba products optimize nutrient availability, enhance plant vigor, improve soil conditions, and aid in stress management, indirectly contributing to the production of lipids and oils in coffee beans. This enhances the mouthfeel and overall flavor experience. Phenolic compounds. Khuba products improve nutrient availability, promote plant health and stress management, and enhance soil health and microbial activity. These factors indirectly support the accumulation of phenolic compounds in coffee beans, contributing to their bitterness, astringency, and antioxidant properties. Volatile aromatic compounds. While specific ingredients responsible for volatile compound production are not mentioned, Khuba products improve soil quality, enhance plant health and metabolism, and aid in stress management. These factors create favorable conditions for the development of diverse volatile aromatic compounds during the roasting process, enhancing the coffee's aroma and flavor notes. It's important to note that the specific effects on compound concentration can vary based on factors like coffee variety, growing conditions, and processing methods. However, by providing optimal growing conditions, improved plant health, and enhanced nutrient availability, Khuba products can positively impact the flavor profile of coffee beans, resulting in a more satisfying and distinctive coffee experience. In summary, Khuba products offer a comprehensive range of benefits for coffee bean plants. With their carefully selected ingredients and specific formulations, these products address malnutrition, promote biodiversity, increase yield, safeguard seeds, support seed germination, enhance root development, improve nutrient uptake, stimulate stem growth, ensure leaf health, promote flowering, and enhance fruit production. By incorporating Khuba products into coffee farming practices, farmers can unlock the full potential of their crops, cultivating rich flavored, healthy, and abundant organic coffee beans. Insects prevention and control. Khuba products can provide numerous specific benefits to prevent and control insects for coffee bean plants. Let's explore these benefits in detail. Khuba Soil Conditioner addresses malnutrition in coffee bean plants by providing essential macro and micronutrients, including phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and many trace elements. These nutrients promote healthy plant growth, flowering, and fruit production. Additionally, The inclusion of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium bacteria supports efficient nutrient release and uptake by the plant roots. Insect control. While Khuba soil conditioner primarily focuses on nutrient supplementation and soil health, it indirectly aids in insect control by promoting plant vigor and overall health. Healthy plants are better equipped to resist and recover from insect infestations. Khuba Soil Booster is designed to enhance soil health and promote plant growth. It contains neem seed, organic carbon, trichoderma, a beneficial fungus, humic acid, amino acids, and seaweed extracts. These ingredients work together to stimulate microbial activity, improve soil structure, and enhance nutrient availability. As a result, coffee bean plants benefit from increased root development, nutrient uptake, and stress tolerance. Khuba Soil Booster contributes to insect control by improving soil health and promoting a diverse microbial community. A healthy soil ecosystem helps maintain a balance of beneficial microorganisms that can naturally suppress harmful insect populations. The presence of neem seed in the booster also provides natural insecticidal properties that deter certain pests. Khuba Growth Promoter, which contains seaweed extract, humic acid, and a range of amino acids, promotes robust plant growth, improves nutrient uptake, and enhances overall plant health. It supports root development, increases flowering, and enhances the weight and quality of the yield. By optimizing plant growth and health, it contributes to higher productivity and better quality coffee beans. Insect control. Similar to Khuba Soil Conditioner, Khuba Growth Promoter indirectly aids in insect control by promoting healthy plant growth. Strong and healthy plants are more resilient against insect attacks and have a better capacity to recover from infestations. Natural horticulture oil, derived from neem seeds, offers insecticidal, antifungal, and herbicidal properties. It acts as a natural defense mechanism against pests and diseases, promoting plant health and vigor. It helps control a wide range of pests, such as aphids, mites, whiteflies, caterpillars, and beetles, which can affect coffee bean plants. Natural horticulture oil provides effective control against various insect pests that commonly infest coffee plants. The constituents of the oil, including azadirachtin, citral, citronellol, linalool, geranyl acetate, linalyl acetate, menthol, geranyl, alpha-pinene, limonene, beta-ocimene, terpenoline, alpha-terpineol, and methylheptanone, act as repellents, growth regulators, and disruptors of insect feeding and molting. They target and control predominant insects in coffee plantations, such as aphids, mealybugs, scales, thrips, and coffee berry borers. Further, let's delve into the relationship between sugar production, plant health, and insect control, and how it relates to coffee bean plants. All plants produce sugar, which serves as the foundation for protein production and subsequent enzyme synthesis. This protein is vital for the plant's growth, flowering, and fruiting processes. When a plant produces sugar below 2 brix, a measurement unit representing sugar content, it may struggle to survive. However, as the plant begins producing sugar between 2 and 6 brix, its metabolic activities are activated and it gains a fair chance to thrive. Plants that produce sugar between 7 and 12 brix exhibit an increased water retention capacity. This ability to retain water becomes especially important during periods of water scarcity or drought. Insects have different preferences based on the sugar content of plants. Aphids, for example, tend to favor plants producing sugar between 6 and 8 brix. Sucking insects, on the other hand, are more attracted to plants with sugar levels between 7 and 9 brix, while chewing insects are typically drawn to plants with sugar levels between 9 and 11 brix. Grasshopper groups show a preference for plants with sugar levels between 10 and 12 brix. Furthermore, plants with a well-balanced mineral profile emit a different frequency compared to those with mineral deficiencies. Once the quality of a crop surpasses a certain threshold, it no longer vibrates at a frequency corresponding to the food source of insects. This means that when crops reach a certain level of quality, they are less susceptible to insect problems. As a general rule, crops with sugar readings of 12 or higher Brix tend to exhibit reasonable immunity to plant pests. This applies to both the sugar content in the fruit and in the leaves of the plant. It is worth noting that crops with higher sugar content or high Brix readings also enjoy protection against frost damage. The elevated sugar levels act as a natural defense mechanism and provide a degree of resilience against freezing temperatures. By understanding the relationship between sugar production, plant health, and insect preferences, farmers can strive to optimize the sugar levels in their coffee bean plants. This can be achieved through appropriate soil management, balanced nutrition, and the use of quality agricultural inputs such as Khuba products. By promoting plant health, optimizing sugar levels, and maintaining a well-balanced mineral profile, farmers can help create an environment that deters pests and maximizes the resilience of coffee bean plants in the face of climatic variations and insect challenges. Prevention is better than cure. Farmers are advised that prevention is better than cure when it comes to managing pests and diseases in coffee bean plants. Incorporating preventive measures, such as using Khuba products, can help mitigate potential pest and disease issues before they become severe. By maintaining soil health, promoting plant vigor, and utilizing natural pest control methods, farmers can proactively protect their coffee plants and minimize the need for reactive measures such as aggressive chemical treatments. Preventive care ensures the long-term health and vitality of coffee plantations, reducing the risk of significant crop losses and promoting sustainable and organic farming practices. Disease prevention and control. Khuba products can provide specific benefits for coffee bean plants in terms of disease resistance and overall plant health. Let's explore these benefits in detail. Khuba soil conditioner plays a crucial role in the first phase of plant development, which involves carbohydrate production and resistance to soil pathogens. By providing essential macro and micronutrients, such as phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and trace elements, it supports healthy plant growth and photosynthesis. This leads to the production of simple sugars or monosaccharides like fructose and sucrose, which are vital for the plant's energy needs and overall resistance to soil-borne pathogens. Khuba soil conditioner indirectly enhances disease resistance by promoting plant health and vigor. Healthy plants are better equipped to defend against various soil-borne pathogens, including fungi, bacteria, and nematodes, which can cause diseases like root rot Phytophthora spp, bacterial blight Pseudomonas syringae, and nematode infestations. By ensuring a well-balanced nutrient supply and improving soil conditions, Khuba soil conditioner strengthens the plant's natural defense mechanisms and reduces its susceptibility to diseases. Khuba soil booster supports the second phase of plant development, which involves protein production and resistance to insects. Its formulation, containing neem seed, organic carbon, trichoderma, humic acid, amino acids, and seaweed extracts, stimulates microbial activity, improves soil structure, and enhances nutrient availability. This results in increased protein synthesis, stronger plant growth, and improved resistance to insect infestations. Similarly, Khuba soil conditioner and Khuba soil booster indirectly aids in disease resistance by promoting plant health. The improved soil structure and enhanced nutrient availability contribute to stronger plant defense mechanisms, reducing the risk of diseases caused by pathogens. By creating a favorable environment for beneficial soil microbes and stimulating microbial activity, Khuba soil booster helps establish a balanced soil ecosystem that can suppress the growth of harmful pathogens, including those responsible for diseases like coffee leaf rust Hemohalli vastatrix, coffee berry disease Colotatricum cahawi, and various fungal infections. Khuba growth promoter supports the third phase of plant development, which involves fat storage and resistance to airborne pathogens. Its formulation, including seaweed extract, humic acid and a range of amino acids, promotes robust plant growth, nutrient uptake and overall plant health. This leads to the accumulation of surplus energy in the form of sugars, which are translocated to the root system and stored as fat. The stored energy reserves contribute to the plant's resilience against airborne pathogens and stress. Disease resistance. Khuba growth promoter indirectly contributes to disease resistance by boosting plant vitality and vigor. Healthy and well-nourished plants are more capable of withstanding the challenges posed by airborne pathogens, such as fungal infections, that is, coffee leaf rust, Himalaya vastatrix, and viral diseases. The seaweed extract present in the growth promoter contains compounds that can induce systemic-acquired resistance, further enhancing the plant's ability to fight diseases. By promoting plant growth, nutrient uptake, and stress tolerance, Khuba growth promoter strengthens the plant's immune system, making it more resistant to various diseases. Natural horticulture oil, derived from neem seeds, acts as a plant protectant and provides resistance to beetle attacks. It offers insecticidal, antifungal, and herbicidal properties, helping to maintain plant health and vigor. The oil acts as a protective barrier against airborne pathogens and beetles, promoting the overall well-being of coffee bean plants. Natural horticulture oil contributes to disease resistance by controlling insect pests that can transmit diseases. By repelling or inhibiting the feeding and reproduction of pests such as beetles, aphids, and mites, it helps prevent the spread of diseases caused by these vectors. Common diseases in coffee plants include coffee leaf rust, coffee berry disease, bacterial blight Pseudomonas syringae, and anthracnose cholitatricum spp. Applying natural horticulture oil can help prevent and control these diseases by creating a protective barrier on the plant surface and inhibiting the growth of pathogens. Prevention is better than cure. Farmers are advised to prioritize preventive measures when managing diseases in coffee bean plants. By incorporating Khuba products into their farming practices, farmers can proactively strengthen plant health, enhance disease resistance, and minimize the risk of significant crop losses. Maintaining a healthy and balanced growth environment, along with the use of natural and sustainable solutions, supports the long-term vitality and productivity of coffee plantations. Regular monitoring, early disease detection, and the use of preventive treatments are crucial in disease management. By adopting preventive measures, farmers can reduce the reliance on curative interventions and ensure the long-term health and productivity of their coffee plantations. Tolerance to climatic variations. Let's explore these benefits, including the unique characteristics of Khuba soil conditioner and the ingredients that contribute to them. Khuba soil conditioner provides numerous advantages to coffee plants, particularly in dealing with climate variations. Its unique properties and composition make it highly effective in addressing water scarcity and temperature regulation, ensuring optimal growth conditions. One of the notable features of Khuba soil conditioner is its hygroscopic nature and high surface area. This enables it to extract moisture from the atmosphere, acting as a dynamic water source for plants during periods of water scarcity. Even in situations with limited water availability, the conditioner ensures a continuous water supply to coffee plants, helping them maintain sufficient hydration levels and reducing the risk of water stress. Furthermore, the soil conditioner plays a vital role in maintaining a cooler environment, which proves particularly advantageous during hot weather conditions. Its ability to retain moisture helps in cooling the surrounding area through the process of evapotranspiration. By minimizing soil surface evaporation and facilitating transpiration from the plant's leaves, the conditioner aids in dissipating heat and lowering temperatures in the vicinity. This cooling effect creates a more favorable climate for coffee plants, supporting their growth and development even in challenging climatic conditions. Moreover, Khuba soil conditioner has the capability to store excess water and release it as per the dynamic needs of the plants. This feature helps prevent waterlogging and promotes efficient water utilization. By maintaining an optimal moisture balance in the soil, the conditioner supports the plant's ability to access water when required, enhancing their resilience against fluctuations in precipitation and irrigation practices. In summary, Khuba soil conditioner offers coffee plants several benefits in adapting to climate variations. Its hygroscopic nature allows it to extract water from the atmosphere, ensuring a reliable water supply during water scarcity. The conditioner's moisture retention properties and ability to regulate temperature create a favorable microclimate that promotes plant health and optimizes growth. Additionally, the organic carbon, humic acid and organic matter in Khuba soil conditioner contribute to its hygroscopic nature and high surface area, further enhancing moisture retention and soil structure. By utilizing Khuba soil conditioner, coffee growers can effectively manage water availability, reduce evaporation loss, and maintain a cool and suitable environment for their crops, ultimately supporting sustainable and successful coffee cultivation. Khuba Soil Booster provides coffee plants with improved tolerance to climatic variations through enhanced nutrient availability and uptake. By stimulating microbial activity in the soil, it facilitates the breakdown and release of nutrients, making them more accessible to the plants. This increased nutrient absorption strengthens the plant's resilience to climatic stresses. Ingredients: Khuba Soil Booster contains neem seed, organic carbon, bioagents like trichoderma, humic acid, and seaweed extracts. These ingredients work together to promote the growth of beneficial microbial populations in the soil. The microbes aid in nutrient cycling, breaking down organic matter and releasing essential nutrients for the coffee plants. This nutrient-rich environment supports the plant's ability to cope with climatic variations by improving their nutrient uptake efficiency. Khuba Growth Promoter plays a vital role in enhancing the tolerance of coffee plants to climatic variations. The growth promoter contains seaweed extract, humic acid and amino acids, which contribute to the plant's ability to adapt to changing environmental conditions. This includes tolerating temperature fluctuations and water stress. Ingredients: the seaweed extract in Khuba Growth Promoter contains natural compounds that enhance the plant's stress tolerance and adaptability. These compounds help the plants withstand climatic challenges by improving their water and nutrient absorption capabilities. Additionally, humic acid promotes nutrient availability and facilitates root development, further supporting the plant's resilience to climatic variations. Natural horticulture oil is beneficial for coffee plants in terms of tolerance to climatic variations by offering protection against pests and diseases. The oil's insecticidal and antifungal properties safeguard the plants from infestations and infections that may thrive under specific climatic conditions. By preventing the damage caused by pests and diseases, the plants can maintain their vitality and withstand climatic stresses. Ingredients: natural horticulture oil contains various natural compounds, including azadirachtin, citral, linalool, geranyl acetate, and geraniol. These ingredients act as a protective barrier for coffee plants, effectively controlling pests and diseases that can pose a threat under different climatic conditions. By managing these potential issues, the oil helps reduce plant stress caused by climatic factors. Natural horticulture oil, while primarily known for its role in pest and disease control, can also help reduce evaporation in coffee plants. Evaporation refers to the process by which water is lost from the plant's leaves and stems into the surrounding atmosphere. By minimizing evaporation, natural oil aids in conserving water and maintaining proper hydration levels within the coffee plant. The application of natural horticulture oil forms a thin, protective layer on the surface of the plant's leaves and stems. This layer acts as a barrier, reducing the direct exposure of the plant's tissues to the surrounding air. As a result, the rate of water loss through evaporation is significantly reduced. The natural oil's film-forming properties create a physical barrier that limits the escape of moisture from the plant's tissues. This barrier effectively seals the stomata, which are the tiny openings on the surface of leaves responsible for gas exchange. By reducing the size of these openings or preventing their excessive opening, the oil restricts the loss of water vapor through transpiration. Furthermore, the presence of natural oil on the plant's surface can modify the microclimate surrounding the coffee plant. It can create a slight humidity gradient, trapping moisture near the plant and reducing the drying effect of the surrounding air. This localized increase in humidity helps to maintain a more favorable moisture balance, reducing the rate of water loss through evaporation. By reducing evaporation, natural horticulture oil helps to conserve water and promote efficient water utilization within coffee plants. This is particularly beneficial in regions where water availability may be limited or during periods of drought. The reduced water loss allows the plant to maintain adequate hydration levels, ensuring optimal physiological processes and overall plant health. Khuba soil conditioner, with its organic mineral-based composition, delivers essential nutrients to coffee plants, promoting their health and disease resistance. It also has the additional benefit of aiding in moisture retention, helping to reduce evaporation and ensure optimal hydration levels for the plants. Alongside, coffee growers can also implement practices such as mulching and proper irrigation techniques to further conserve water and create an ideal growing environment. Mulching helps retain soil moisture, reduce weed growth, and regulate soil temperature, contributing to water conservation efforts. Proper irrigation techniques, such as drip irrigation or precision watering, ensure that water is efficiently delivered to the plant's root zones, minimizing wastage. By combining the use of Khuba products with these water conservation methods, coffee farmers can maximize water efficiency, minimize evaporation loss, and create a more sustainable and resilient coffee cultivation system. This integrated approach supports the health and productivity of coffee plants while prioritizing the responsible use of water resources, ultimately leading to sustainable and successful coffee farming practices. Package of practices for organic farming. Organic farming practices for coffee bean cultivation involve a holistic approach that prioritizes sustainability, biodiversity, and environmental stewardship. Here is a descriptive narrative explanation of the specific package of practices for coffee bean cultivation in organic farming. Soil management. In organic farming, soil management is crucial for promoting healthy plant growth and maintaining long-term soil fertility. Farmers follow practices such as composting, green manure, and crop rotation to improve soil structure, nutrient content, and microbial activity. Compost made from organic waste materials is applied to enrich the soil with essential nutrients, while green manure crops like legumes are grown and incorporated into the soil to add organic matter and fix nitrogen naturally. Crop rotation helps prevent soil erosion, minimize disease and pest pressure and break pest and disease cycles. Organic inputs. Organic farming relies on the use of organic inputs to provide nutrients, control pests and diseases, and enhance plant growth. Organic fertilizers, such as compost, manure and organic amendments, are used to nourish the soil and provide essential nutrients to coffee bean plants. These inputs are derived from natural sources and help maintain soil health and fertility in a sustainable manner. Integrated pest management. Organic coffee bean cultivation emphasizes the use of integrated pest management techniques to manage pests and diseases. It combines various strategies such as biological control, cultural practices, physical barriers, and botanical extracts to prevent and control pest infestations. Beneficial insects, trap crops, and pheromone traps are employed to control pests naturally, reducing the reliance on synthetic pesticides. Weed management. Weed management in organic coffee farming focuses on minimizing weed competition while preserving soil health and biodiversity. Farmers adopt techniques like mulching, manual weeding, and mechanical cultivation to control weeds. Mulching with organic materials such as straw or compost helps suppress weed growth and conserve soil moisture. Manual weeding and mechanical cultivation methods are used to remove weeds selectively while minimizing soil disturbance. Water conservation. Efficient water management is essential in organic coffee farming to conserve water resources and support plant health. Techniques like drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting, and soil moisture monitoring are employed to optimize water use. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the plant roots, reducing water wastage. Rainwater harvesting methods capture and store rainwater for irrigation during dry periods. Regular monitoring of soil moisture levels helps farmers make informed irrigation decisions, preventing both water stress and excess water application. Shade management. Shade management is an integral part of organic coffee farming, as it mimics natural forest conditions and enhances biodiversity. Farmers strategically plant shade trees to provide the right amount of shade and microclimate for coffee plants. These shade trees offer habitat for beneficial insects, birds, and other wildlife, contributing to a balanced ecosystem and natural pest control. Harvesting and post-harvest practices. In organic coffee farming, special attention is given to harvesting and post-harvest practices to ensure the preservation of organic integrity. Coffee cherries are selectively hand-picked when fully ripe, ensuring high-quality beans. After harvesting, the coffee cherries undergo processing methods such as wet processing or natural drying, avoiding the use of synthetic chemicals or additives. By implementing these package of practices in organic coffee farming, farmers promote sustainable agricultural systems that prioritize soil health, biodiversity conservation, and the production of high-quality organic coffee beans. These practices not only contribute to environmental stewardship but also provide consumers with a product that is free from synthetic pesticides and has a lower environmental footprint. Invasive plants. Coffee bean farming is vulnerable to various invasive plants that can impede growth and productivity. These plants compete with coffee crops for vital resources like nutrients, sunlight, and water, negatively impacting their health and yield. Some common invasive plants in coffee farming areas include Striga spp, also known as witchweed. Striga is a parasitic plant that attaches to coffee plant roots, depriving them of nutrients. Prevention measures involve crop rotation, manual weeding, and removing striga before it flowers and produces seeds. Planting resistant coffee varieties can also help combat striga. Imperator grass. Imperator cylindrica, imperator grass, or Kogan grass, aggressively competes with coffee plants for resources. Control methods include regular mowing, mechanical removal, and herbicide use. Proper spacing between coffee plants and regular weed management practices are preventive measures. Bracken fern. Pteridium aquilinum. Bracken fern can rapidly colonize coffee plantations, reducing growth and productivity. Control involves manual removal, slashing, and herbicide application. Implementing shade management and regular weed control as part of good agronomic practices can prevent bracken fern establishment. Siam weed. Chromolina odorata, also called Christmas bush or devilweed. Siam weed grows rapidly and outcompetes coffee plants for resources. Control methods include manual removal, herbicide application, and preventing seed dispersal. Early detection and prompt removal are crucial to prevent its spread. Lantana. Lantana camara. Lantana, a highly invasive shrub, shades out coffee plants and hampers their growth. Control measures include manual uprooting, cutting, and herbicide application. Preventive actions such as maintaining good plantation hygiene and regular monitoring can aid in controlling lantana infestations. Mexican sunflower. Tithonia diversifolia. Mexican sunflower is a rapidly spreading weed that can smother coffee plants. Control involves manual removal, cutting back the plants, and herbicide application. Preventive measures like proper sanitation practices, seed source control, and maintaining weed-free borders help manage Mexican sunflower. In the prevention and management of invasive plants, Khuba soil conditioner and Khuba soil booster play a significant role. Enhanced soil health. Khuba products improve soil health and fertility, enriching it with nutrients and organic matter. This promotes healthy growth in coffee plants, enabling them to compete more effectively against invasive plants for resources, thus minimizing weed establishment and growth. Improved plant vigor. Khuba products enhance the overall vigor of coffee plants, making them more resilient against weed competition. This reduces the susceptibility of coffee plantations to invasive plant infestations. Increased canopy density. Proper application of Khuba products increases canopy density in coffee plantations, resulting in shading of the ground. This limits sunlight availability for weed growth, discouraging the establishment and growth of invasive plants that thrive in full sunlight. Weed management. By incorporating Khuba products into their weed management strategy, coffee growers can strengthen the effectiveness of these practices. The products improve overall plant health, enabling coffee plants to better compete with weeds for resources. This, in turn, reduces weed germination rates and inhibits their growth, creating a more favorable environment for the coffee crop. It is important for coffee growers to implement a comprehensive approach to weed management that combines the use of Khuba products with other appropriate weed control methods. This may include manual weeding to remove existing weeds, targeted herbicide application for selective control, and ongoing monitoring to identify and address weed infestations. By integrating Khuba products into their weed management practices, coffee growers can optimize weed suppression and maintain a healthy and productive coffee crop. Companion plants. For coffee bean plants, there are several suitable plants that can provide various benefits such as enhancing biodiversity, aiding in nitrogen fixation, and promoting carbon fixation. Let's explore some recommended companion plants and their roles in more detail. Shade trees. Shade trees are commonly used as companion plants for coffee bean plants. They provide shade, regulate temperature, and create a microclimate that is favorable for coffee plants. Shade trees also contribute to biodiversity by attracting birds, beneficial insects, and other wildlife. Examples of suitable shade trees for coffee bean plants include Inga species ice cream bean, Inga edulis. Inga trees are nitrogen-fixing and provide excellent shade. They create a diverse ecosystem that attracts birds and insects, enhancing biodiversity. Erythrina species coral tree, Erythrina spp. Erythrina trees fix nitrogen, provide shade, and attract pollinators and birds, adding to the biodiversity of coffee plantations. Leguminous cover crops. Leguminous cover crops are known for their ability to fix nitrogen, enrich the soil, and suppress weeds. Planting these cover crops alongside coffee bean plants can improve soil fertility and reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers. Some recommended leguminous cover crops for coffee bean plantations include Mucuna species velvet bean, Mucuna pruriens. Mucuna is a fast-growing cover crop that fixes nitrogen, improves soil structure, and suppresses weeds. Arachis pinto. A pinto peanut. Pinto peanut is a low-growing legume that forms a dense ground cover, enriches the soil with nitrogen, and suppresses weeds. Nitrogen-fixing trees. Nitrogen-fixing trees can help replenish soil nitrogen levels, reducing the reliance on synthetic fertilizers. These trees have a symbiotic relationship with nitrogen-fixing bacteria in their roots, enabling them to convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form usable by plants. Suitable nitrogen-fixing trees for coffee bean plantations include Gliricidia sepium, Mexican sunflower, Gliricidia sepium. Gliricidia is a fast-growing nitrogen-fixing tree that provides shade, fixes nitrogen, and serves as a source of organic matter when pruned. Caliand, Ra calithiasis caliand, Ra, caliand, Ra calithiasis, caliand, Ra is a nitrogen-fixing tree that can be pruned and used as green manure, supplying nitrogen to the soil. Ground cover plants. Ground cover plants help protect the soil, prevent erosion, and provide habitat for beneficial organisms. They contribute to biodiversity by attracting beneficial insects and improving soil health. Some suitable ground cover plants for coffee bean plantations include Pigeon pea Cajanus cajan. Pigeon pea is a nitrogen-fixing legume that forms a dense ground cover, suppresses weeds, and adds organic matter to the soil. Sweet potato Ipomia batatas. Sweet potato is a low-maintenance ground cover plant that protects the soil from erosion, conserves moisture, and provides organic matter when harvested. By incorporating these companion plants into coffee bean plantations, farmers can create a more diverse and sustainable ecosystem. The companion plants help in nitrogen fixation, improve soil health, enhance biodiversity, and reduce the dependency on synthetic inputs, ultimately contributing to the long-term health and productivity of coffee bean plants. Plant life cycle. Coffee growers can greatly benefit from incorporating Khuba products into their cultivation practices. These products have been specifically designed to cater to the various stages of the coffee plant's life cycle, offering targeted advantages that promote plant health, boost productivity, and ensure long-term sustainability. During the crucial phase of carbohydrate production and the plant's ability to resist soil pathogens, Khuba soil conditioner plays a vital role. By providing essential nutrients, this conditioner fosters plant vigor and strengthens disease resistance throughout the carbohydrate production, protein production, and fat storage stages. It supplies a rich blend of macro and micronutrients, such as phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and trace elements, ensuring optimal nutrient absorption and utilization. In the phase of protein production and defense against insects, Khuba Soil Booster becomes an invaluable asset. This organic soil amendment improves soil health and structure while stimulating microbial activity. It enhances nutrient availability, supports robust seed germination, safeguards roots, and fosters extensive root growth. By bolstering the coffee plant's overall resistance to pests and diseases during the carbohydrate and protein production stages, it paves the way for healthier plants and increased yields. As the coffee plant enters the phase of fat storage and encounters airborne pathogens, Khuba growth promoter steps in to fortify its defenses. This growth promoter is water-soluble and can be applied through both leaves and roots. Enriched with seaweed extract, humic acid, and essential amino acids, it acts as a catalyst for plant growth, improving soil quality, enhancing flowering, and boosting overall yield and quality. By facilitating efficient nutrient uptake, it equips coffee plants with the ability to endure environmental stressors, ensuring their continued vitality. Throughout all stages of growth, natural horticulture oil serves as a powerful shield, safeguarding coffee plants from pests and diseases. Composed of various natural oils with potent properties, this product acts as an effective insecticide, fungicide, and antimicrobial agent. Its constituents, including azadirachtin, citral, citronellol, geranyl acetate, and many others, work synergistically to combat pests, inhibit the growth of harmful microorganisms, and preserve the overall health of coffee plants. By relying on this natural defense mechanism, coffee growers can reduce the need for aggressive chemical treatments, ensuring the well-being of their crop. By harnessing the benefits of Khuba products, coffee farmers can revolutionize their cultivation practices. These products not only contribute to the plant's health and disease resistance but also promote soil health, enhance nutrient availability, and foster sustainable farming methods. By embracing Khuba, coffee growers can secure the longevity of their crops, preserve the soil for future generations, and achieve optimal outcomes in terms of plant vitality and yield.